ABC. Where your pie and not choose with Daddy side me. Where your pie and not choose with Papa. At me.
At you? I thought they were smiling at Grandpa.
How about Zaya at me?
They were smiling at you?
Yeah.
Can you sing it again?
And we did where your pie and a Deborah.
Way up high and a Grandpa?
Yeah.
That's silly.
Where your pie and a Deborah. Where your wire and do with Papa's aya. Where your pie and do with Amy side at me.
Two red Ainsleys. That's even sillier. Alright, now you're getting crazy. Ains, can you eat your raspberries? I know you have hiccups. Yeah, you dropped your spoon. Can you eat your raspberries, please? Where are your raspberries?
Right there.
Can you have a bite? Can you give one to Daddy? I would like a raspberry. No, don't feed it to the camera. Here, feed it to Daddy. No, don't feed the camera. I would like the raspberry. That's not where it goes. Oh, thank you. That was delicious.
Another time.
Oh, that's for you. That's your raspberry. It's not for the camera. The camera doesn't eat raspberries. No. Nah, I don't think so. Eat the raspberry. Mmm. Oh, you're gonna eat that one? Okay. Oh, there's one more on the table under your arm. Oh, there it is. Oh. Oh, you ate the last raspberry.
What's that?
Well, what is that?
Cackle.
Yeah.